Hey there, foodies! Today, I'm excited to share with you a fantastic recipe for fried chicken livers. Trust me, this is a dish that's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. Start by heating a half a cup of olive or canola oil in a non-stick frying pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 pound of chicken livers and cook until they're golden brown. While the livers are cooking, slice up 1 large sweet onion and 1 bunch of scallions. Next, add the sliced onions and scallions to the pan with the chicken livers, and continue cooking until they're soft and tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and there you have it, a delicious, economical meal made with chicken livers. Thanks for joining me today in creating this tasty dish. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Happy cooking!
Steps 1. Peel the outer skin off the onions. Cut them into horizontal 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters strips. An advantage of cooking with sweet onions is they are less likely to make your eyes water. 2 inches each skillet, add enough oil to cover the bottom, about a quarter cup. 3 inches the first skillet, add onions to saute on low heat and cover. Cook for about 10 minutes. 4. Occasionally stir your onions to allow for browning. Onions are ready when they are soft. Do not let them turn black. 5. Transfer the finished onions into a bowl. 6. Add a quarter cup of olive or canola oil to skillet. On low heat, add the chicken livers. 7. Fry chicken livers, stirring them occasionally. Cover the pan and let cook for about 10 minutes, stirring periodically. Make sure there is enough oil left in the pan to prevent sticking. 8. Check to make sure it is fully cooked. Chicken livers will turn from red color to brown when thoroughly cooked. Cut 1 chicken liver to check if the insides are raw. Additionally, use an instant read thermometer. Stick it internally in a liver. If the temperature reads over 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, it is done. 9. Add the sautéed onions back to the frying pan. Mix the livers and onions together. 10. As a garnish, chop scallion greens and top over skillet. 11. Promptly refrigerate extra portions and use within 3 days.
Did you enjoy this video? Leave your comment and like. Thank you for watching and stay tuned, because we'll have more delicious videos coming soon here on Interval Food. Until the next culinary adventure.